Hey you guys, unexpectedly I had to take the VUE out. It will have to be washed this weekend, and I had not had a chance to put the ceramic dip from DipYourCar on the new freshly dipped black cladding and mud flaps. So the weekend is going to be dedicated, since it's warm, to washing and ceramic coating the cladding. I am notorious for forgetting introductions, so I'm trying to be better about it. And do me a favor, like and subscribe. Let's beat the algorithms so that you guys and everyone else who's actually interested in this stuff can actually find it. It's even hard for me to search and find my stuff, so I got to get more folks subscribed and more folks liking and commenting so that the algorithm boosts my content up so that more people can see it, and maybe I can actually help some folks. That's the whole point of this, is to help you guys out so that these little views here get more love. All right, well, I will see you guys tomorrow, and we're going to get this HyperDip ceramic coated. So I got the VUE's dip ready, all washed up, so that I can add this to it. And I must say, I'm even impressed with the way they packaged this stuff. They had this, they didn't have the nozzle on it when they shipped it. The bottle came in a plastic bag. It had this sealing the top of it and a cap on it so that it couldn't leak at all. I mean, that's extra and above, and I greatly appreciate it. For all the products I've had that have burst and leak in shipment, these guys went above and beyond to make sure that your product got here in good condition without making a mess. That was just awesome when I popped it open and saw that. If I would have known, I would have videoed it, but that's, yeah, impressive. So just got done washing the VUE. I blew everything off so that it would be clean. I'll wipe it down in just a minute. We'll see how the ceramic coating for dipped surfaces, how it goes on here. So, yep, just need to do some final drying and we'll go to town. Back with the VUE, we are doing the dip coat ceramic. Had to drive it, so I had to wash it before I was able to put the ceramic coating on. But you can see how the dip final finish came out. It's not as reflective as it was. It picked up the texture of the vehicle. I mean, it is a thinner product, so it's not going to fill all those. The texture that it comes with from the factory, words, man, oh man. All right, it says, mist lightly onto dipped surface. Fold and lightly moisten towel with product. Well, we're using an applicator pad because I'm only doing small areas. One panel at a time. Using clean microfiber to work product into the surface. And then allow to air dry and buff off any excess product with a clean, dry microfiber towel. So, same old as the other ceramic. So we'll see how it comes off. So, moisten the product. Light misting, and apparently you can use it on painted surfaces too, so don't worry. Okay, I got a little carried away there. Anyway, shouldn't have to worry about painted surfaces because it says it's fine for them as well. Since I went a little overboard, I mean, it's going on smooth and all. Anything to extend the longevity of this stuff and make the product stay shinier and repel dirt, I'm all for it. And I don't know squat about doing ceramic coating, so I'm just going with what the directions say. Smells nice. That I will definitely say. Or door cladding. There we go. A little bit lighter misting that time. I guess I'll do the cladding with it. I mean, cladding, the red line side skirt with it. That way I can kind of see what it does on painted surfaces as well. We'll see how it looks up against the mothers. So I plan on doing the other ceramic coat that I did on the Civic in Mom's car, her RX-8, on the rest of the VUE. I'll kind of spread it around. I'm going to try and get everything as protected as possible because they've got all the salt on the roads from that snow we had. And I am not wanting all that to get onto the dip and make a hot mess out of it. Got these little now, I'm not spraying my sponge anymore because I've obviously I already did all that in the beginning, and it's such a small area. I won't be swapping out pads nearly as much unless it gets filthy. Yeah, I know. I'm doing the mud flaps too. I'm going to try and put the ones that got squished funky in the wash with these others and see if maybe they won't unfold. As of right now, I've got 4 that are wonky. Real smooth. Oops, picking up water. Even though I blew it out and wiped it off. But the top view of the VUE. This at least. And we're back after a brief intermission. Looks like it's dry, and you're just supposed to buff off any residual that's left. I mean, this stuff's old, so damage has already been done to it, but doesn't hurt to go ahead and seal it, right? Debris. Anyway, we're back. It doesn't leave a haze like the mothers did. You just kind of see little trails that you left behind. Little streaks. Let's just kind of buff all that out. that stuff. Nope, it's coming right off. So, I mean, that stuff was so damaged though that it's hard to say. Scratches and what wasn't. I mean, it really needs to be repainted, but I think what I'm going to do is put the vinyl on there to cap it for now. And then I'll buy that Luna that DipYourCar has. And I will paint the black with the Luna. I'll do the same thing with the spoiler since I've decided I like it. And that Luna seems to be pretty awesome. I want to give it a test run and see how it really does. Well, that feels so loose. Oh, I'm just being hypersensitive at this point. Like those professional technical terms, gloppy and clumpy. Yeah. That's my Polish side coming out. Yeah, I need to check that other side, but not sure why it's loose. Okay. Yeah. Funny thing. See how shiny the makes this black plastic look awful, doesn't it? When you look at how nice and glossy the black dip is. See it there in comparison to that dull? That way you guys can get an ample idea of how all that goes together, and I'm going to soundproof it a little bit further as well. So it's not going to be a pop it on, pop it off type deal. And I want to deal with the windshield wiper arm. So again, it's not going to be super fast. Man, that water in the door jamb is getting me. But it's not causing an issue with the the ceramic dip. So it just doesn't roll off my tongue like it should, I guess. I wish I had had this stuff for the wheels ahead of time. I would have made the brass monkey wheels. Okay, that's problems in the paint. Might would have made them look better longer, although they weren't a gloss finish. So, but again, the black plastic. And yet, that HyperDip has that nice gloss to it. So, oh, here comes the sun after hiding all day. I'll get some water and we'll splash it upon the mud flap, because that'll be good. You can see. We'll do it on the nose and we'll do it on that mud flap. You'll be able to see how it beads up or not. Back with water. Guess I should have done that to it first. Yeah, looks like it sheets pretty good. Wanted to do the vertical as well as the horizontal. Okay. Seems good to me. I mean, again, this is a spray and wipe. This is this kind of a hybrid type versus the super fancy high dollar ceramics. Seems to do pretty well in my opinion. Weigh in, let me know what you think. Yeah, and don't forget, you guys, help me out. Subscribe so maybe I can actually beat the algorithm, you know. Tell me what you think. Let's have a conversation. Throw some stuff in the comments. Have any of y'all used this stuff before? What do you think of it? Anybody used it and can comment on the longevity of it? Since I'm just now doing it. But seems to keep everything nice and shiny and not noticing any dullness. So that's good. Yeah, let's not even talk about that step pad there. Let's just, yeah. You don't see it. It looks awful. As well as those white gouges. It's okay. It's okay. It'll all be dealt with in due time. Whoops. As I pet my spoiler. Feels pretty smooth. Don't have any warts to throw up there, but yeah. Okay.